You've probably seen those stunning parallax effects on premium websites, where layers move at different speeds and everything just feels alive when you scroll. But what if I told you that you can build that exact experience, smooth, optimized, and fully responsive in just few lines of code using only GSAP? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build this smooth parallax scene using GSAP only. So let's get into the coding part. Here in my VS Code, I had created a simple layout structure that is this simple landing grid. Let me explain you a bit. That would be great for you. So these two divs are for the GSAP small ScrollSmoother. You'll know it in the future. And this is the hero section. So in that section, this is the section, and this is the text layers. That is the text layers, and after that, the image layers. So that's the first image, the second image, and the third image. And after that, this is the dungeon part. So this is the dungeon image and the image ground. This is the ground. So here's the simple layout structure, and we are going to animate it with GSAP and make it a smooth parallax effect. First, import the GSAP. Let's import the GSAP from GSAP and register plugin. Let's import ScrollTrigger and Smoother. After that, let's call GSAP's hook. So let's make an instance for GSAP's ScrollSmoother. This will create an instance for small ScrollSmoother. The wrapper will be the wrapper and the content. Let's see if it's working. I think it's working. It's working. After that, here's the magic part. We'll enable the effects. They call it effects, I call it magic. So effects true. And after that, so what we want is that we want to scroll, and the text part and the background image part will stay, and the middle part will go up with the scrolling, and the this ground part will also go up with the scrolling. So how can you achieve that? It's very simple. It's give it data. So you can see the text are in there. So let's give the values to the image layers also, like this one and this one. I will give it 7, and this one will be 9. This working very nicely. You can see the magic here, right? It's amazing. That's why I love GSAP. So after that, the ground part will automatically go up with the scroll. It's perfect, right? So with this, now we built a perfect GSAP parallax effect, smooth, optimized, and very beautiful. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more animation techniques like these, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your developer friends who love clean animation. So I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep scrolling.